How to make garden in 5 steps. 1. Construct a vision for your space. Consider the area you're nurturing before you start acting. Is that yard, the roof, the windowsill, a fire exit? How much sun does it receive? Look at similar models before making your landscape plans. Searching for Hawaii Dream Garden while in Minnesota is not advised. Additionally, ask your neighbors what thrives in your hardiness zone. These zones range from 1, the coldest, to 13, the hottest, based on the average annual lowest winter temperature. To determine your zone and the plants that grow there, enter your zip code into the USDA's map. 2. Ensure that the soil you are working with is healthy. With soil, create the scene. There are billions of bacteria, fungus, and other organisms in healthy soil. It has the proper texture and structure for plant roots to ensnare. Texture comes first. The amount of clay, sand, and silt present in the soil determines its texture. All soils are made up of these 3 components. The most optimal soil, a sandy clay loam, is located in the midst of those 3, according to Farrer. On the whole, this is accurate, though a plant's precise needs can change. Beets and carrots like sandier soil because it allows for easier root penetration. For water absorption, tomatoes want more clay. 3. If planting seeds is too difficult, purchase transplants. A seed is similar to a newborn. It requires a lot of care, and not everyone is aware of how to make it survive. It is simpler to cultivate transplants, which are just a few inches high and kept in little pots. Even though seeds are frequently less expensive than transplants, they are less dependable. How many of them will really sprout is difficult to predict. If too many begin to grow, they will become crowded and engage in survival competition. Therefore, you might need to thin them out. 4. Construct elevated beds or containers. As long as you drill holes in the bottom and avoid letting paint come in contact with the soil, practically anything can serve as a container for your plant, including wooden wine boxes, milk crates, old pots, and dresser drawers. Avoid anything with a harmful history, like oil drums and plastics, which can release toxins into the soil as they degrade in the presence of ultraviolet radiation. 5. Recognize how much light your plants require. Not all plants require a lot of sunlight. To ripen, tomatoes, squash, and cucumbers all require sunlight. Greens with leaves, not so much. Another implication is that a fruit requires less sunlight the smaller it is. It's possible that you lack the sunlight required to cultivate beefsteak tomatoes. However, you might be able to manage sun-gold tomatoes, which can have a diameter of only half an inch. If you need more information, just click the link below the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.